Welcome to another video from Darren Hickey, Hornby, GWR. Apologise for March last month for basically what I said about those dates. The UK government didn't allow the touring company railway to do those train journeys, so basically I couldn't go and see them because they got cancelled due to the government guidelines. So basically I don't know when I'll be able to do another video of steam train journeys for you guys. So basically, apart from that, apologies. You've probably seen this on some other YouTube channels. But it's a update on this, and you will see a update of my layout as well as this locomotive is running. What it is, if we get to the side, it's another 040 locomotive in BR 040 locomotive, known as the collector's special locomotive. So I'll just get the focus so it makes a bit, and the product number is R3953. Get that box and see what it comes with. First time it's been opened, it hasn't been opened yet. First things first is the instruction sheet. The reason why I show everyone these when I do my videos, just in case if Hornby have updated them or changed them or anything has happened. So there's a bit of tape on the side, so if I can carefully put that off, go to the corner. In here we've got a bit of detail. We've got a driver, a fireman, and the vacuum brakes for the locomotive. Put those back in there so don't lose them. So just remove the polystyrene bit. And here she is. Lovely locomotive. 040 locomotive. If you're running 040s, this is the perfect locomotive to run. Details just basic, just moulded in plastic. No sprung buffers. Clearly there's no holes for the vacuum brake pipe, so there's no point putting that in. Same with the crew, no point putting that in because you can just see the motor. Bit of disappointment, but hey, what can you do? So on top you've got fake cold load. But that's all I can tell you about this locomotive. So let's get her onto the tracks and see how she runs. I'll be back in a minute. Right, we're back at the layout. Here's the locomotive. Yes, I run DC digital. So if you can hear that, that is because of this. So got this controller instead of that controller. This one can control analog control DC loco, so I've just put it onto that now, as you see. Before we watch her going around the layout, we've got a restaurant pub. There's the Black 5. So it was for my birthday, and this is what it's called. If I can now zoom it out, that's it. Well, if you can pronounce that, that's what it is. And then basically also the mansion house, really nice set. And basically, right, here's the insert of the box. Got it from Peter Spares and mention something house. Love the picture. That's what it looks like on the side, and that's the back, and that's the other side. Really lovely. So that's what I've added and done with to the layout. Right, apologise for that. That was someone at the door. So off she goes. This is the first time she's been run, so she will be a bit splattery and jerky around the layout. So that's the Class 40, and yes, she's ready installed. As I've now positioned myself on the other side of the board, so I could try zoom in with the lenses. Yes, I can. Onto the new curve. Had to redo. So basically I can try to get a better picture of the front of the restaurant, if you was asking. And back to the locomotive. Don't know why she keeps storing on the points. The track is all cleaned. She just needs probably a bit more power or some more juice and stuff. So all I can say is thank you to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel, please click like, and please leave a comment below if you like this video. Thank you. Right guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.